Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 items that I personally sold on Amazon FBA Canada for significant profits. Alright guys, so this is my 3rd video that I've done on Amazon FBA products where I go in and I actually share my products, what I bought it for and what it sold for. Now since I've been starting these videos, I've been getting some comments and feedback that you guys really like it, but you want me to tweak certain things. For instance, in the first video, you guys wanted to see pictures of the actual items instead of just the text. So in the second video, I added pictures. Then in the second video, you guys really liked that. The pictures really made a difference, buying and selling the prices on the screen. But I also got another comment saying that you wanted me to do the calculation and show you the actual profit that I made on that particular item. So that's what I'm going to be sharing in this video, 5 items. I'm going to be showing the pictures, what I bought it for, what I sold it for, what the fees were, and what the profits were. And if you haven't seen my 2 other videos on this exact same topic, head down to the description below after this video as I will have those links for you guys. Now again, before I get into it, I'm sharing the products that I bought and I sold for these prices. It doesn't necessarily mean that you guys are going to find it for this exact same price and sell it for this exact same price, just because the market on Amazon FBA, just like markets anywhere, are always changing. They're always constantly changing, going up and down. You may even find the product cheaper than me. You may find it higher. You may sell it for more than me. You may sell it for less. So these are just my results, what I got. I'm doing these videos to create as inspiration for you guys so that you guys can go out and find these kinds of products yourself. Alright, so let's get into it. Number 1 is a toy called Zoomer Hedgiez. Now this is like a robotic type toy. It is a robotic hedgehog, and pretty much I think it just crawls around because I think that's all that hedgehogs do. And I got this toy in San Francisco when I was at the Udemy Live conference and bought it for about $5 US. Again, this was in the clearance aisle. The box was a little bit damaged, but I was willing to take a risk on it because it wasn't a toy where I personally thought that parents would pay attention to the packaging. They wanted the robotic toy for their child, so I took a risk. The box was slightly damaged, but not enough to get a return out of it. So I sold it for $44.99. The profit was approximately $25, and the fees were about $12 to $13. So how I got the profit is basically I took what I sold it for and I minused the fees and I minused what I paid for the item. Now the profits and fees are approximate. They may be off by a couple of dollars, give or take $1 or $2 going up and $1 or $2 down. Just giving you guys approximate numbers so you guys can get a feel for what the profit was on the item. When I forgot to mention, while I was in San Francisco, I got that at Target. Number 2 is the Disney Frozen bed sheets twin size. So I got these at Walmart here in BC for $15 and I sold them for $68.99. I sold these a couple of times actually. The profit was approximately $36 and the fees were approximately $16 to $17. So Frozen is still popular. It's not as popular as it used to be, but my thinking was that I could get these bed sheets and sell them during Christmas time, which I did. I got a couple of them and they both sold. They were a good price at Walmart, $15, and it was like a sheet set, so you got the one or two pillowcases with the bed cover and a sheet. With this set, you didn't even get the blanket. And pretty much when I found the item, it was a no-brainer to me. I knew that this item was going to sell. Next is the NutriBullet blender. I bought this at Walmart for $25 and I sold it for $139.99. Profit was about $85 to $86 and the fees were about $29 to $30. So when I saw this at Walmart, I knew that I had to get it because it was $25 and I knew that from previous experience these kind of blenders sell for a lot more. So as you can see, I got a really good profit on that one. I actually bought 2 of them and sold both of them. And I actually got these the same day that I got the frozen bed sheets as well. Number 4 is this black solar backpack. So I saw these on clearance at Canadian Tire, and you know, backpacks are backpacks, they're a regular item, but what drew me to this particular one is that it had the solar feature on it. So on the back when you're wearing it, there's a plug inside the backpack where you could charge your phone or any other device while you're walking outside. So that to me stood out because it's like a technology type item attached to a regular item of a backpack. I saw that they were clearing these out for $15, and I knew that I could sell it for much more. So I sold it for $89.99, a profit of about $54 to $55, and the fees were about $20 to $21. So I actually had to create a new listing for this backpack because there wasn't a listing for this specific one. So when I created the listing, you know, I optimized it with the keywords and the title and the description, made it sound really appealing. And there were other solar backpacks as well, but mine was a certain style that I thought that people would like better, so I priced it at $89.99. I tried it out first with one. I bought one first just to try it out because I was making a new listing. When that one sold, I ended up buying 3 more and selling those as well. And number 5 is this Batman helicopter. So I found this at Winners for $15, sold it for $71.99. Profit was about $39 to $40, and the fees were about $17 to $18. So I was at Winners in the toy section, and it's usually like a hurricane mess in there. And I found this single Batman helicopter, and I had never seen this before. I had never seen it at Walmart or Toys R Us or Superstore, any of the mainstream stores. I never saw this Batman helicopter before. It wasn't made by your typical toy manufacturers. It was made by someone else. And this toy intrigued me. So it was $15. I did take a chance on it because I've never sold a Batman toy like this. I've sold Batman toys before, but not like this. I just had a feeling that this was going to sell because it was like Batman and it was like a helicopter. Usually when toys go electronic, you know, they tend to sell, and I kind of tend to pay attention to that. So that's it. That is another 5 items for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this series of Amazon FBA products that I'm sharing with you guys. These are actual products that I have personally bought and sold on Amazon in Canada. Again, I'm doing these to inspire you guys. I'm not doing anything special. I just go into regular stores. There's no specialty stores here. I scan around and I find these products. My style is to find products that make at least $20 to $25 profit because I really like that big chunk of profit that comes in from one item. So if you guys are enjoying the video series here of Amazon FBA products that I personally buy and sell, please let me know in the comment section below by leaving me a comment, giving me a like, and subscribing to the channel. Alright guys, well thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.